guys!
Good morning!
Good
Good morning!
morning!
Doon mo makikita kasi yung beauty ng sa baba. Pag-gising sa baba.
So, ayan. Ano oras na ba?
7.
Time check, it's 7.
7:28.
Okay. So, maaga kami for today's video kasi magbe-breakfast pa kami. And yung breakfast buffet is until 10 a.m. Late na nga kami.
Supposedly dapat 6:26.
Alas 6 pa lang nasa buffet na kami. Tapos 7:30 naglalakad na kami papunta doon.
Ano oras kami natulog kagabi?
Kasi todo birit pa eh. Nareklamo na nga kami.
Sa bintana.
So, ayan, let's go, let's go. Dadali namin kayo sa buffet ng Radisson's Blue. Tingnan natin kung maganda ba. I-compare natin yung mga foods nila. Kasi last time naman, nasa ano kami, Rotana kami. So, let's check. Nagre-ready na po sila. Ito muna yung outfit namin for the breakfast buffet only. Yan. So, change outfit later. Bye! Can I see the outfits po? Outfit check. Ano yung sabi ni Irish? Outfit check na wala na. LOL! Ayan, dito na kami sa breakfast table. Thanks, guys.
No. Wala pa naman yung outfit.
Busog?
Yeah.
Oh, nabusog ba kayo, guys?
Super! Di ba?
Take out pa kami.
LOL!
Ano yung ano, kailangan ka usasabi mo. Makita niya na nga, sabi ko, mas dami na yung dental. Tapos hanggang sa paglabas ka sabay mo. Ganun lang dapat. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Nabusog ba kayo, guys?
Yeah.
So now we're going to the beach and
Bitch to the bitch to the bitch,
Yeah.
bitch.
hindi naman halata sa outfitan namin, di ba? So we're gonna try the activities pero kailangan pa kasi tumawid eh. So ito yung hotel. So you need to
Transfer sa other side.
yes, you need to
Kasi mga puti may biglang sa araw.
Kasi for sure yung mga Emirati mamayang gabi pa yan eh. 'Di ba parang katulad kahapon no? Yung mga Arabic takot sa araw. So gabi sila nagsi-swim. Pero pinush talaga naming maaga kasi maaga din yung check-out namin since 3 o'clock yung check-in, then 12 o'clock yung check-out. 'Di ba ang duga? Kung may nanonood man, comment down below kung ano. Dapat ano, 'di ba? Yeah, 3 to 3, 'di ba? It's unfair kasi
3 ka nag-check-in. Hindi nga 3 o'clock eh. Umabot pa ng 1 hour and a half bago kami nakapag-check-in.
siguro given naman kasi holiday, so sobrang dami nang nag-book na hotel.
So, probably ma-extend kami.
Sana mag-ano sila hanggang baka pwede tayong tumawag. Sabihin natin baka pwede kami mag-extend like until 2 o'clock ganun. Kasi late naman kami nag-check-in kahapon. Kasi haba ng pila. 4:30.
1 and a half hour yung naghintay na.
Kahit naman i-check nila, 'di ba? 4:30 na yata tayo na.
Tapos yung binigay pa nilang room, ang bilis. So, another changes na naman.
Yeah.
So, additional 15 minutes.
So, ayun lang. So, papunta na kami pag nandun na is mag-video na ulit kami doon. Bye! West Bay Lounge. So, ayan. Papasok na kami. Ba't sarado yung pinto? But it's already open. Tinanong namin 8 o'clock bukas na sila. Doorbell ka, girl. Charot. Ginagawa mo. So, can I see your wristband, guys? Meron na sila, guys! This is it. Totoo na talaga to, guys. Oo. So, saan nyo gusto pumesto, guys? Pwede bang magpa-sunbathing muna? Wow! LOL! Sunbathing muna, girls. Are you excited, ate?
Yes, of course.
Let's go! So, ayan guys, nandito na kami. Welcome to Paradise. Sorotera. Picture na kami. Just chill.
Nakapag-sim ka.
Mm-mm.
secured. Okay na po. Okay, aahaw na po kami mga swimmers.
LOL!
Grabe. Ang tara. Ang init po sa Abu Dhabi. So, saan naman tayo guys next?
Diyan na sa wave pool. Ayan, wave pool na, girl!
Ayun na wave pool!
Ginagawa mo!
I'm excited! Let's go, let's go, let's go! This is the wave pool.
LOL!
So, ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-swim. It's already 11 o'clock, so we need to make ahon na. We can go back to the room na because sobrang init na and feeling ko, grabe na yung half ng init ng ano ko.
We have to give this towel.
Towel there. Bakit may bula? Saan galing yung sabon? Ayan guys, gusto niya daw mag jet ski. So, nagtatanong siya kung magkano.
English.
LOL!
No.
Minsan nakakalimot eh.
Ayan.
Date, name, nationality, tapos signature.
Dapat
Saan kayo sa atin?
Kuya, ba't pinayagan mo naman magdala ng sabon? Manila.
Ayan, you want experience, no?
Yeah, shit. This is it. Ang nagagano gusto ng jet ski.
Ubaga lang kuya sa
Okay, last one, siya.
Ano nga itong adopt?
Lagay mo muna yung wallet.
Hindi na ang saya. Makalulusong sa tubig yan.
Ito na.
Stop up.
Yes!
Listen, please. Okay, this video taking before the trip. Okay? Please be careful of yourself and be careful of the jet ski. Any scratch damage or inside the food truck, you have to pay. But we don't want you to pay. We want you to enjoy. You go out with a good condition with the jet ski, no scratch damage, come back.
Okay.
With the same condition. Okay? Okay, always aware anything in the water. If you do anything in the water, swimming area should be 50 meters away. And wall, stone, should be 50 meters. This is danger zone. Okay? Anything in the water, so other jet ski, kayak, boat, please be aware with them. 50 meters, always 50 meters. Because this jet ski is unlike the car. If you brake, stop completely. It's different in the water, keep going. Okay? Ito yung forward, the more you press, the more you go, so you have to be very careful with the acceleration, okay? Please, kung malakas yan, mabilis na mabilis yan. So,
Alin daw?
kontrolin mo lang yung speed sa finger mo, okay? Tapos ito yung reverse, stop. Reverse na
Basta kasi kuya sa akin. Ready guys? This is it.
Abu Dhabi Marine ha, bawal doon.
Dahan-dahan ka lang.
Dito ka lang.
Okay. Dahan-dahan lang, girl. So, ayan. Let's do this. Experience po.
Nice. Gusto ko na mag-drive.
Sige lang. Ooh. Continuation ng aming date for today. So, we're here in World Trade. And punta muna kami sa favorite shop namin, Plans for Us. So, yeah, nakarating na kami after our extended date, you know. Because na-feel namin na, kasi, hindi naman sa ano, syempre kasama si ate kanina, diba? So, we have a separate date. So, nagpunta kami ng World Trade, yun, kumain lang kami sa McDo, and then, dapat magko-coffee, pero nakalimutan na namin. And after that, dumating na yung order. Ayan, let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Open it po.
It's for me to find out.
Ooh, what is that? Can I see? Can I see? Ooh, that's for what?
That's for the watch. Apple
Wow.
Watch. The strap.
And that one is for,
What is this? Ah, see? Ay, anong tawag dito?
that's a mug.
A mug. Ang taray ng mug.
Can I see? Can I
Oh,
see?
ito.
Can I see po?
This one.
Ooh, a gold
Strap din, a
chain.
gold chain. Hindi man to gold. Rose gold.
A rose gold, sorry.
Ay, akala ko meron ka.